Don't want wahala. Leave my baby, leave him for me, oh. Leave my baby, oh.
Hey, Nam.
Yes, Mama.
Nam.
That's my certificate.
Hey! Jesus.
Done and dusted.
Jesus. You're always doing it for me.
Yes.
And I am going to sing a song to your glory. Jesus Obugi Waka. Jesus Obugi Waka. Hey, Jesus Obugi Waka.
Ezendeze nara ekene.
Hey! Of course you were me.
Yes, Mama.
So you have graduated?
Mama, I have graduated. I have served with all the awards and recognition. Everything is ready.
Hey! You left me for 1 good year.
How?
To go for youth service. And now you are back. Ha! That one deserves another song.
Yes, Mommy!
Oh, my home!
Oh, my home!
Oh, my home!
Oh, my home!
Hey!
When shall I see my home? When shall I see my native land? I will never forget my home.
Come on, China. Oh, my home!
Oh, my home!
Oh, my home!
Oh, my home!
Hey!
When shall I see my home?
Holy, holy, holy!
When shall I see my native land? I will never forget my home.
Hey! The next thing now is to look for a job.
Mama, there are jobs, good jobs, waiting for me in the favor market.
Yes.
I will not struggle like the others.
In Jesus' name.
In the labor market.
Hey, God, you have heard my son. Once he tells me, I tell you. Because you're the master, you're the alpha, you're the omega. And you provide us with a job. Father, I thank you for this. I thank you for letting my son finish his youth service in great health of mind and body. I thank you for bringing him safely back to me. Father, his future is in your hands.
Amen.
In Jesus' mighty name I pray.
Amen.
Celebration time.
Celebration time, Mama.
We are going inside.
We are going inside.
And when
so many to celebrate. So many things.
Let us go. Oh my home.
Oh my home.
Oh my home.
Oh my home.
Hey.
When shall I see my home?
Holy, holy, holy.
When shall I see my native land? I will never forget my home.
Charlie, Obi opportunity and more than one chance. That's why I'm watching from a distance. They pretend they want to give assistance. Guanafa, I tell them they're assistants. Oh, yeah,
brother, rap! Oh, my baby.
Compassion. See you. You see how this thing fits you. You won't even remove it again. In fact, you will wear it to sleep, wear it and wake up, wear it and go around the whole village. Ha! It's so fine.
So Margaret, you didn't even notice that I'm here.
Don't be angry. I don't know what this boy did to me. Honestly,
He
has killed me. Once I see him, it's like I'm blind to every other thing.
You know what is why I was always thinking about you. I want to eat, I'm thinking of my mind. I can't even eat. I can't concentrate.
How are you?
I'm very, very fine.
Hell.
You know, it's only when Chibuzo is around that we have opportunity to see you.
Baby, drink for me.
Chibuzo!
I cannot eat fat on my own substance.
Go live in a Chibuzo. I'm happy for you. You know, I'm very, very happy for you. So very soon you'll be wearing suit and be going to office.
I can't wait to make money and take care of my baby. For all her hard work and everything.
Yes.
Now that you're done with school and youth service, we should get married. We're not waiting for any other thing.
I don't think I am ready for that yet. Yes, I am through with school and service, but I still need to get a good job, raise some good money before thinking in that direction.
What are you talking about? I have a bar. A bar that brings in money on a daily basis. And I also have 5 keke na pepe. 5 that brings in money every day. We can live on those.
That is not the kind of life I want for myself. I mean, I did not go to school to end up depending on your bar and tricycles for survival. I need to go out there, make good money, like my mates. Then when I do, I'll come back and take good care of you. Give you a befitting wedding. You know? You deserve better. Give you the wedding of your dream too.
My problem is, how did you wear this and then you mix it with Ankara?
Oh, you mean the Ankara? Come on, this is the latest trend, bro. Come on from the village now. Okay? Come up to this.
Chibuzo.
It's not nice. Fine.
Chibuzo.
You like it?
I heard they have 2 cars each.
Oh, you just heard. You heard.
Yes.
Is it true? And we're adding more.
I just said that.
Yeah, of course.
We're adding more!
So you mean you guys got rich by defrauding innocent people of their hard-earned money?
And who told you that?
Is that not what I heard? That the reason you people went to Port Harcourt is to go and do AP and a computer.
Ike, when in your life will you ever hear a positive story about someone? I've always known you. King of negative vibes. Please, I don't want it around now, please.
But they said there's no smoke without fire.
Listen.
Radio without battery.
Listen, guys. We are farmers. Maize and plantain farmers.
Tell them.
Yeah.
I don't understand. Ihawa Siocha, that's arrant white lie. How can you say you're a farmer? Is this the way farmers look?
Is that your problem? We're not looking like farmers.
Yes.
Listen, guys. There are levels in farming.
You can say that again, bro.
No, as I speak to you right now, we have over 300 acres of land in Port Harcourt.
Yeah.
Some call it clients. So let me say we have 300 clients.
But I don't understand. How exactly did it happen?
You guys are making this thing look like we're in a jam exam hall. The questions are becoming too much. See, I'll clarify you guys now. We got to Port Harcourt and we met this man. He's a very wealthy farmer, very big one. So one thing led to the other, as God may have it. He secured a very big contract and we helped him execute it. And our profit in the contract, we invested it in our own farming. And here we are today.
Big boys, big name.
Hey, see, come on.
Big names.
Enough about us. Now, both of you, what's up with your lives? I mean, what's the next step, especially you, our freshest graduates?
Guys, you know now I've graduated, and ever since then I've been job hunting.
Okay.
And it's even good that all of you are here with me, because I'm planning on seeing my girl's people. I want to pay her dowry and make her officially my wife.
Chibuzo, your head there, your neck, so. No, wait. Are you serious? Chibuzo, to marry Margaret is what is in your mind now, Chibuzo. You need the Ebele.
Wait. You're talking of marriage. How much you get for your accounts? You get money?
I don't have anything. Yes, I don't have anything. But she's worried. You know she's a woman. And time is not on her
Chibuzo,
side.
do you have a scale of preference at all in your life? No. As a graduate, you are supposed to have a scale of preference. What should come before the other? Chibuzo, so marriage is the next in line, eh? Chibuzo, you that I thought you have sense. See, let me tell you, the worst thing that can happen to a man is getting married without enough cash in your pocket. Chibuzo, your wife will insult you. Her parents will insult you. Her siblings didn't carry a boy guardian on. Chibuzo, you don't seem to understand how these things go.
Wait.
You don't.
Wait. Let me advise you. Chibuzo, it's true that Margaret trained you in school, but do you also want her to train you in marriage? Guy, you don't wise up. Use your upper, use your brain, use your konushi. If she's so eager in getting married, let her go ahead and marry someone else. After all, she's even older than you.
You see? Let her go and marry. Let her even marry her age mate. Guy, choice go belong go chachalong no off man. I'm so play are okay. All for you.
What do you now?
See, guys, this is not why I came down to this town. This is not why I came back home. I came home to enjoy myself. I came home to flex my homies. Okay?
Yes!
We can leave this topic for some other time.
Time to flex!
For now, let's ball into the street and paint it red.
Paint!
You know, I see. There's this.
They look for wahala call Margaret. Nothing wahala come Maggie go handle Margaret. If Maggie hate you, you are in trouble. Margaret. She go show you Pepe until you hear a Margaret. If Maggie love you now,
I'll be traveling to Port Harcourt in a few days' time.
What are you going to Port Harcourt to do?
I am going there in search of a greener pasture. I learned there are lots of opportunities there.
Are you pulling my legs right now?
I'm not. I am serious.
you're serious. How can you take such a decision without telling me? Who do you even know in Port Harcourt?
My friends live there. Echezona and Enam. I will be staying with them.
So, you want to leave me here in this village?
No. I am going for a good cause. You know there is nothing here for me. You know it. I need to go out there and hustle like every other person.
Please don't go. Don't go, please. Okay, I will raise some money for you so that you can start up your own business. Any kind of business. Since you don't want to join me in the bar. But please don't go.
Baby, that won't be necessary. I want a paid job. Don't worry. I'll be coming to visit you from time to time. And then when I get my house there, you can always visit me anytime you like. Please, try and understand. This is for good. Baby, if I go out there and I make it financial, our situations will change. I don't want you to suffer more than you already do.
Jello, my love, my jealousy, and I know they like wahala, oh, yeah. Hey. Hello, no try my boo-boo, baby, if you no want my wahala, oh, yeah. If you be boyfriend snatcher, make you no try my boo-boo, baby, oh. If you be boyfriend snatcher, make you no try my boo-boo, baby, oh. If you no want wahala, leave my baby, leave am for me, oh. If you no want wahala, leave my baby, leave am for me, oh. Leave my baby, oh. When a hunter fall in love, bushmeat go dey plenty. When a soldier fall in love, troubles will run away. But if a superwoman fall in love, you can want to happen in there. Don't touch my baby, oh. You don't want my wahala. Those girls with the shiny teeth with my boo-boo, baby. You dey look for wahala, you go see wahala. I no fit fight, but I go fight for you. And anything will worry you, they worry me too. I no go fit leave you for another baby, oh. I go hustle to see I make the money. I go make sure say me and you the jolly, oh. Now me and you go there. Jello, my love, my jealousy, and I know they like wahala, oh, yeah. Hello, no try my boo-boo, baby, if you no want my wahala, oh, yeah. If you be boyfriend snatcher, make you no try my boo-boo, baby, oh. If you be boyfriend snatcher, make you no try my boo-boo, baby, oh. If you no want wahala, leave my baby, leave am for me, oh. If you no want wahala, leave my baby, leave am for me, oh. Leave my baby, oh. When a hunter fall in love, bush meat go dey plenty. When a soldier fall in love, troubles we run away. But if a superwoman fall in love, you can want to happen in there. Don't touch my baby, oh. If you don't want my wahala. Those girls with the shine teeth with my boo boo baby. You dey look for wahala, you go see wahala. I no fit fight, but I go fight for you. And anything will worry you, they worry me too. I no go fit.
Hello, baby. And baby, it's not been as easy as I thought it would be. It's 6 months now, and I have not even gotten a job of a sales boy. I've been roaming the whole street. I'm beginning to get tired. I'll keep trying. I'm very hopeful I will get a job.
I pray you secure a job soon.
Amen.
But do you still have any money?
Money? I've spent almost everything I have on transportation. I don't have any money. Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you so much.
I miss you.
I miss you too. Don't worry, I will call you when I get home. I love you too. Bye. Take care.
Chibuzo!
Not this.
Ah, what's up?
Just the...
So, how did your day go?
It was productive, though quite hectic. But I was able to submit my CV in about 8 companies.
That is good. So we are hoping for the best, right?
Yes, man. Hoping for the best.
Yeah. Chibuzo, I'm thinking, why don't you join us in the farm business? Since your, what's it called, white collar job is not forthcoming.
Bros, I don't think I want to be a farmer. And certainly not your kind of farming. I'd rather wait. I'm sure the white collar job will come forth soon.
Come. Look, I'm talking about you are saying not the kind of farming. Listen, we are making money in this, you know. Look at us. We're making money. Just take a look.
Evidently.
Do I look like a farmer? Not that kind of farm we do for a village. Okay, you know, things have changed.
No problem.
Margaret, Margaret is a business tycoon. She's a business guru, money making machine. Maggie no dey look for wahala at all. But if wahala come, Maggie go handle. If Maggie hate you, you are in trouble. She go show you pepper until you hear her. If Maggie love you, now another big wahala. You be private property for only Maggie. She go follow you, they go where you they go. Now him they say no woman go fit talk to you. Because Margaret is a jealous lover. When she
You're still reading this paper?
Yes, so man, there are mouth-watering recruitment ads.
So what's up?
I'm just trying to dig it out.
Man, we're going out.
Oh.
See you later.
Alright, take care, guys. Hello? Yes, this is Chibuzo, is it? Really? Yes, of course I can be there, ma. Thank you. Yes, right away. My name is Chibuzo, and I have an appointment with the Human Resource Manager.
Okay. Sit down, please. Let me... Hello, ma. There is a Chibuzo Eze here to see you, ma. Okay, ma. Yes, ma. She'll be with you shortly, sir.
Hello. Who is Chibuzo?
He's over there, ma.
Hello, Mr. Chibuzo.
Good morning.
Chibuzo! Lillian! Oh my goodness, Chibuzo, I can't believe it. Lillian, I can't believe it. Look at you. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again.
You've transformed totally. Wow. Wow.
No, they like wahala, oh. Margaret, oh. Margaret, oh. Margaret is a business tycoon. Margaret, she's a business guru, money making machine. Maggie no they look for wahala.
Yo, how are you?
Fine, sir. Sir, what do we offer you?
Who is she?
My mother, sir.
The mother?
Yes, sir.
She's the one I want to serve me.
If Maggie love you, now another big wahala. You be private property for only Maggie. She go follow you, they go where you they go. If you look for Margaret, trouble. Margaret go show you pepper. If you look for Margaret, trouble. Margaret go give you double. Margaret, oh. Margaret.
I am fine, sir. What do I get for you, sir?
Water and goat meat pepper soup will do.
Okay, sir.
Margaret go show you pepper. If you look for Margaret, trouble. Margaret go give you double. Margaret, oh. Margaret, oh. Margaret is a business tycoon. She's a business guru, money making machine. Maggie no they look for wahala at all. But if wahala come, Maggie go handle. If Maggie hate you, you are in trouble. No. She go show you pepe until you hear a Margaret. If Maggie love you, now another big wahala. You be private property for only Maggie. She go follow you, they go where you they go. Now him they say no woman go fit talk to you. Because Margaret is a jealous lover. When she love you, she don't love bata.
She was the last person I expected to see there. Hi. But then, there she was. Everything was just like a Nollywood movie.
God. Wait. Chibuzo, you mean the girl you almost fell for in school now hired you and placed you on a very good salary overnight?
Coincidentally, yes. Bro, after searching for job for how many years?
Bro, you just found yourself a wife!
Again!
Oh, hold it right there. What did you say, Nabi? Wife?
Yes.
Please, that's beside the point. Leave that aside. For now, let's just celebrate this victory, okay?
Hey man, don't even act like you're not happy inside. Because I know that deep inside you, you are the happiest man on earth. What are you telling me? Grab your wife! You're already made wife, guy.
Look, I am very, very happy.
Sure, so therefore,
extremely excited.
Therefore, go inside.
We are going to drink to stupor.
Exactly. Go inside and get me.
Well, let me tell you the first thing I'm going to do.
What?
I am going to call my babe to fill her in on the good news. Because she's part of the celebration.
Margaret,
you feel me now, you feel me.
Margaret, I fuck.
You know, man, you know how many years I've been suffering looking for a job and finally it's here. This is something.
Please, let's marry. Go get the wine, please. No problem, you can just let her know. So it's okay, it's okay. I mean...
Lillian. After how many years?
Chibuzo. I could have sworn I had seen a ghost when I set my eyes on you. Even when your name was sent to me, I couldn't even imagine that it was your own Chibuzo, seriously.
Well, it's a small world. I never thought for once that I would ever set my eyes on you. After you graduated, still not talking to me. You're a mean girl. You know, bro?
I'm sorry. Eh? You should understand. I had to do all those things for my own good.
I understand. Trust me, I do. And I'm really happy that all your hard work in school has paid off. I mean, look at you. You're doing great for yourself.
God has been faithful.
Yes, he has. And also, you're looking more beautiful now than ever before.
I know. You don't have to say it. I know. Don't loud it, please.
That's because you know how to take good care of yourself. Most girls don't know.
Money is speaking.
I mean, I know most of the girls we graduated together in school, they don't live up to your standard.
Because I have a good job.
You're blessed. I want to be like you. Wow. This is beautiful. Luxurious and spacious.
Thank you.
So you live here?
No. You do. It's your official apartment. And that car outside is yours as well.
Now you have to be pulling my leg.
I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. You can't.
You serious? I have a question. Does the company extend this to all its new staff?
Not exactly. Let's just say that I put in a little push for you.
My apartment?
Sure.
Yeah. Oh my God! I can't believe it's mine.
It's yours.
What?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
This is unbelievable. God, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Come, let me show you inside.
This is wonderful. Yeah.
My name is Dikeh of Fordile. I am from this village, though I reside in Abuja.
Wow. Welcome home.
Thank you. I saw you yesterday, and I must confess you appealed to me. That is why I'm here. You see, you're not only beautiful, you are industrious. All these qualities I want in a woman.
Thank you for your compliments. But so you don't waste your time, I have a boyfriend.
I have not told you I just want to date you.
I'm so sorry for being so assuming. Sorry about that. So tell me, what do you really want?
Let us be friends.
Friendship that will lead to where? Listen, Dikeh. I know what you want. And I'm very sorry I cannot give it to you. I have a boyfriend that I will never ever leave.
Why don't you get to know me first before you decide? You see, my intentions are pure. Very pure.
I don't want to start anything I will not finish. I'm sorry, Dikeh, but I can't do this for you. I have to get back to my business. Thank you so much for your patronage. And I hope you will continue patronizing us. Thank you.
If Maggie hates you, you are in trouble now. She go show you Pepe until you hear a Margaret. If Maggie love you, now another big wahala. You be private property for only Maggie. She go follow you, they go where you they go. Now if they say no woman go fit.
Let's toast for success, more wins, and long life!
Yeah.
Man, cheers, brother.
That's good, bro.
Yeah, I love
like
good news, man. I love success.
Success all the way.
More wins.
And you know what? If you make any kukere waka, may she never catch you. But if she dares think of it in her mind, may you catch her.
That's my man.
I've always known you as a winner, you know?
Oh my God.
Guys, come on. Drink up. I have enough. I have so many.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I can't even. You're doing this.
People are equal to the task.
Oh my God! Come on. Hey, Mr. Man, we are here.
Take it easy.
We are here, man.
Yeah. How do I thank you for everything you've done for me?
You know, one good turn deserves another. You helped me a lot back then in school. So this is my own way of saying thank you. But don't get it twisted. You deserve all you're getting.
Thank you so much. Can I ever pay you back?
You can.
Sorry, my mom.
Take it.
Hello, Mama? Gini?
Have you thought about what I told you?
There is nothing to think about. I already told you that I'm taken.
He's a boyfriend. I want to be a husband.
I am not interested. Please, can we just stop talking about this?
I don't give up easily.
You know they look for wahala turn. Not if wahala come, Maggie go handle. If Maggie hates you, you are in trouble now. She go.
Young man, you are most welcome to my humble niche.
Thank you very much, sir. I am here because there is something very important I want to discuss with you, and it is about your daughter, Margaret. We've been together a couple of times, and I must confess, she's got everything I want in a wife. But I'm having this constraint. She keeps telling me she has a relationship. Sir, I am not here for relationship. I want to consummate my love for your daughter.
Interesting. So, where are you domiciled?
I don't understand, sir.
Where do you hail from?
I am from Ngo in this same village.
Wonderful. Wonderful. I like young men like you with such undiluted boldness. I like the temerity,
boldness you need to Prof, and you're telling me this. That means that you really know what you want. But the truth is that it's an old saying that a tree can never make a forest. I, Professor Udemba, cannot take unilateral decision on this. But I want you to know that this is a family that is enveloped in total integrity, dignity. Look up there. That edifice belongs to my younger brother, Dr. Josiah Udemba. He's a medical director with the National Hospital Abuja. Look at your back. That building belongs to my immediate elder brother. His name is Tobias Udemba. He's an engineer, a building contractor, and a general merchandise. Down there, look at your front. That is my brother, and he's an army general. Now you can see this is a family that is enveloped in total pedigree. We don't push and pull at the same time. You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. Thank you, Mom. I appreciate it. Thank you.
So, but what do you do?
I'm a businessman, sir.
A businessman?
I'm a businessman, sir.
You see, like I said, a tree can never make a forest. We have to have a kind of an amalgam. Do you understand? And then we'll intimate you.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Has those memo been sent to Mainstream Oil and Gas?
Yes, sir.
Good. Please tell the secretary that I want those files in my office before the end of today.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll be in my office. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you doing, Chibuzo?
Very well, sir.
Wow. By the way, I'm excited and absolutely happy for your effort and your work.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Chibuzo, keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Did you receive any document from Mr. Tunde?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Make sure that all the documents for the journey tomorrow is ready.
Okay, sir.
And I will talk to you later.
All right, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
I don't want to marry him. And I've told him that already.
I know it is because of that your baby Romeo, isn't it?
Margaret, I am not trying to make your choice for you. But if I am to suggest, that young man is responsible. Plus the way he sounded, he really loves you. Why don't you take this opportunity? As you can see, you're no more getting any younger. I know, but my heart still belongs to
Margaret, you are just being naive and stupid here. See, that young man may not be ready to marry in the next 5 years.
Exactly. Exactly.
God just gave you a good man that has all the ingredients of a wonderful husband to flavor your life, and you're here thwarting it. You cannot be a fool forever. Be wise. You are my daughter. I won't deceive you.
Everything I did for you, would you
Madam.
Good evening, my dear. Good. Welcome.
Thank you. Mommy, I saw some things in the parlor and I'm surprised. Who brought them?
It's Dikeh. He was here earlier. He said those ones are yours. Your father and I have taken ours. Ne, that young man is a very good person. Why don't you give him a chance?
Where? Okay. No problem. Tell him to come with his people. That is, if he is serious.
That's my daughter! That's very good of you. Now you are talking. Don't worry. I will tell your father immediately to send word across to him.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do you need help?
No. Go and relax. Go and eat those things. They are all yours. Hey!
Hey, Chibuzo visited me today. Hey, God. My big man brother.
Get to call him Pop Black. How many times have you visited me?
See, on that note, you of all people know that I am always keeping in touch. Sit down. I've always been trying to reach, even on text messages. And you see, whenever I'm less busy, you are busy. When I'm busy, you're less busy. So it's not my fault.
Well, that's true. I've been quite busy.
See, Chibuzo.
Where is Nnamdi?
That one. You don't follow the show goes on it.
You don't say.
I'm telling you.
When Nandi will never change.
Well, every man I'm waiting to.
Even by this time of the night.
If only I go sleep before. For you.
But what is it with you guys and girls? Huh? Won't you get married?
Hey, Prisha. Okay, we are waiting for you now. Once you pick one, we pick two.
Oh, you're waiting for me?
Yes, we're waiting for you.
You wait for me till you get old.
Yeah.
Till you have grey hairs all over your body. Man, I will get married soon. Stay there and be waiting for me.
You get married soon? I know something. I know who you're getting married to. Your village sugar mommy.
Stop that nonsense. What do you mean by my sugar mommy? Margaret is just older than me with just 8 years.
Hey! So 8 years is not enough. No, wait till it's 21 years before you will confirm that Margaret is your sugar mommy. Eh? Do you know what is 8 years?
Age is just a number. I'm telling you, we are advanced. Anyway, that's your business. I don't even know why you and H's and the rest of the guy have this hatred for Margaret. I just don't understand.
Nobody hates Maggie.
Margaret is a great woman. She's a very nice person if you get to meet her. And you know that girl made me what I am today. Everyone can attest to that fact.
Yeah. Unarguably the truth, you know. The fact still remains that Margaret is a great woman. I agree to that. I know that so well. And Buzo, talking about great women, how far with your boss for office? I mean Lillian. I know say by now tough and I go down there. I know you now.
No.
Bad boy.
No such thing. You know me now. I have a girlfriend in the village.
Chibuzo, why you two dey lie? Why that this thing dey worry me? Why you two dey lie? How you go get that kind engine for office? Oh boy, no dey lie, give me a beg.
No, I'm telling you the truth. I don't have anything with her. Yes. Margaret and I are meant to be. So soon I will just go and pay her down with it.
You know? So now that you're not having anything to do with Lillian, boy, pass me the babe. I like that girl, oh.
I knew you were coming to that. I knew you were
coming to that.
So this has been your plan all this while. Now I tell you guys, stay your lane. I don't even want to see you close to that girl. And I'm serious about it.
Why you dey stingy with babe when you know the chop? Now why you dey stingy like that? Oh,
hey.
But I know they stingy for waiting no be your own. Give me something, I beg. I like that girl, oh.
What do you even see for this babe?
You blind. Chibuzo, you blind. Even if you blind, you know they feel am. That girl too set. See waist, see skin like mirror. See. Okay, now I know what your fear is. Because both of you are light skinned. Your skin of having albino. Oh yeah, see the perfect match is here. See the skin, caramel. I'm not chocolate boy. The mixture of both of us, boy, that half cast.
So you want to use this your dangling modifier and destroy my boss? It's not going to work for you.
No, when you insulted now. What did you talk now?
Please forget about
she feel like I'm like that. You know, Chibuzo, give me this girl.
You have not even offered me wine, and I'm even famished.
Are you new in this
Get
house?
me wine and get me food. Biko. Start with wine.
Yes.
Give me wine first before food.
You care for. See, I have the right.
Moet, please. Moet.
That you're not having anything to do with Lillian. Boy, pass me the babe. I like that girl, oh. You blind. Chibuzo, you blind. Even if you blind, you know they feel am. That girl too set. See waist, see skin like mirror.
Hello, Lillian. How's work been? I'm sorry about that. So how about we unwind over lunch? It's okay then, I'll see you at the garage in 20 minutes.
Yeah. Good. My people, you are most welcomed to my humble abode.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Without making much ado, I would like us to proceed immediately.
Thank you very much, Professor. Our son, sitting right there, Dikeh, told us that he is in love with your daughter, Margaret. And so today we say we will be here to let you, your humble family, know his intention officially.
But you know, as custom demands, I must confirm from my daughter.
And we, according to the custom and tradition, we came with the drinks.
You've done noble. Wife,
Honey?
please, do make your daughter happy. Gentlemen, these things are here consumables.
Oh, yes.
Make yourself comfortable.
Exactly.
Eat.
I have eat.
There is no limit to what I can do to my visitors.
Okay.
Yeah. Here
Welcome.
comes my daughter.
Welcome.
Yeah. Dikeh.
Margaret, these entities here, these Homo sapiens, have come to seek your hand in marriage. And the onus falls on you to tell me your father either to consummate these drinks or not.
Papa, say no. Don't drink it. You, Ngewa, Dikeh, I have told you several times that I am not interested in you. I will go here several times. But no, you will not listen. You keep bothering me and you keep pestering my life. Okay, now that your people are here, I want to say it to their hearing. Dikeh, I am not interested in you. I am not interested.
Hey!
I am not interested in your son. Please, ask him to stop disturbing me.
Bombshell.
Margaret, Margaret, Margaret is a business tycoon. Margaret, she's a business guru, money making machine. Margaret, no they look for wahala.
Margaret, what sort of callousness and gross irresponsibility did you exhibit just today?
Margaret, have you gone nuts? I mean, why have you just disgraced us like that? Why? Do you know what that stupid action of yours means to our family name and image? Do you know?
I want to ask you one thing. Do you know what it took me to build on this reputation that you urinated upon today?
Hey!
Why did you invite a young man when you knew you were going to turn him down in such a disgraceful manner? Why?
Did I not tell him I wasn't interested? Shut up!
For the last time, if you don't shut this your gutter of a mouth, I will give you a resounding slap that will continuously tingle in your brain. I will deal with you in such a way you will never forget in a hurry. My name is Professor Cyril Udemba. It took me something else to build this reputation. You're a total disgrace. You want to turn yourself to a miscreant, a tout, a nincompoop, bloody scallywag. Don't come. I'll do it.
Margaret, why? Why did you do this? You have just broken my heart. Mama, you people broke your hearts. I did not do anything. When I was busy shouting into high heavens that I am not interested in that young man, both of you were busy welcoming him and collecting gifts from him. Now, you people are blaming me. I don't even understand it. Why are you blaming me? Eh? Nekwanya. You will not eat and then I will suffer the consequences of what you ate. Go and pay for it. Nobody should call my name. Lie. I was hammering on it. Nobody listened. Now, I don't know. Hey! Oh, bro, you're champion. Hey! Mama! Mama, what's up? Hey! Mama, look at you! Look at you! Mama! Hey! Mama, look at you! Mama, look at you! You look good! Mama, I missed you. I missed you too. Hey! How? I'm so happy to see you. Same here. No. Yes. You came back with a car. Yes, Mama, that's my car. Hey! Jesus! You didn't tell me it would be this soon. Hey, I greet you. I thank you. Mama, I am made. Money is no longer out. Hey, Jesus, thank you. Yes. God has done it for us. Oh, nah. Happy to see you. I brought so many things for you. You did? So many things. How, Mom? Mama. Run around. Let me look Mama, look at me. Where? Look at me. I know job has been stressing me out. Yes. You know? Yes. But the thought of you has kept me strong and healthy. And it's God. It's God. Mama. Hey.